welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're back to see me, then hey girl. So today I do have another wig review for you guys. This hair is from Nadula Hair. This is a 99J straight headband wig, 24 inches long, super pretty. So stick around to see the specs of this wig and to hear my thoughts on her, and I will be back. So here is how the hair is looking after I washed her. She cute. Okay, she got like a little wave to her, very slight wave. You can see a little bit of that dark root in the back and a little darker root at the top as well. Okay. I look crazy, don't mind me. This is how my hair is looking before I put the wig on. So I'm just showing you that I have it in my two little ponytails like always. So now I'm just going to be pinning those up on both sides. Like so. I'm going to grab my mesh wig cap. Put that on. I don't know where my wig grip is. Yeah, so no wig grip today. Ooh, she feels nice and roomy. Very roomy. So I'm gonna go ahead and Velcro her down. Okay, so we have her snapped on, and this is how she is looking. Very full, like, ooh, ooh. This is the hair in the natural state. It's really pretty. That is how far the hair is falling on me. It's pretty much coming to my waist. Wow, it's 24 inches long, and yeah, it's stopping right there on me. I am 5'4" for reference. Okay, so I want to add some curls in her, so I'm going to take this Thermal Shield Heat Protectant from Cantu, and I'm just going to spray this throughout my hair. This smells really good. I'm gonna brush that through. I did get a little shedding as I was brushing her out, just a little bit. So that's that. So I'm just gonna separate my hair into some sections. I don't know, I guess like medium-sized sections. The smaller the better, really, but you know me, I'm trying to be quick. Okay, so I'm going to be working with sections about this size. That is kind of thick for a wand curl, but it will do. I have my heat, oh, you can't really see that. I have my heat set to 392. Ouch, almost burnt myself, but I did not. Almost burnt myself again. Ooh. I don't wear the glove because that just makes me hot and irritated. But you probably should wear the glove. I like to hold it for about 10 or 12 seconds. Then I release. Pretty. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, so cute, my little baby. And I'm going to use this Got To Be Flex Insta Hold hairspray as a holding spray as I curl, because this does not work for me when it comes to melting lace, but maybe it's better for just like a holding spray, hairspray. Because I don't want all my curls to fall by the time I'm done filming this video. Hello beauties, so I'm all finished styling this hair, and as you can see, the curls came out really cute. I am loving the wand curls on this unit. She curled really easily, no problem. And yeah, she's just a look like this is giving full glam right here. The color mixed with these curls is absolutely gorgeous. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the direct link for the wig in front of me, so I'm unable to tell you the price. So make sure you check that description box down below. Because the hair is so bright, I kind of like it with just the regular black headband that comes on the unit. I think she looks really cute. I would wear her like this. I would go out like this. Love how that is looking together. I showed you the amount of shedding I got from this unit. I did not get any tangling at all. When I washed the hair, it was very smooth and easy for me to comb out and run my fingers through. She air dried really pretty with those loose waves. She is big head friendly. I love how roomy this cap is. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can see her from all angles. So she's very versatile. You're able to do a lot of cute different styles with her, which I love. I really have no complaints about this unit at all, and y'all already know I love these fall colors. I think they are so pretty. So drop me a comment down below on what you think of this unit, how you're feeling her. I want to know. Let's chat in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. She is absolutely gorgeous. I love her. Thank you to you for making it to the end of this video. If you have not already, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that bell right next to it so you can always be notified when I post. And follow me over on IG. My Instagram is Deanna_Monet. So that way you can stay tuned with my content and my IG stories over there as well. If you enjoyed this review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, supporting all my content. I know it's been dropping like crazy, but I really do appreciate all of the support. And I will catch you later.